Well, I am putting together a 1931 Ford Model A pickup, and this is the cab that I'm starting with now. I've already got some wood in up here. I got the header, but this cab, I think, has been stressed incredibly over the years. I think what happened was the wood basically went away, and they kept bolting it, and the structure, it just cracked and broke in this cab here. And you can see this side, this is where one of the pieces of wood goes, kind of like that. And that's fine, but the problem was that I think the wood had disappeared over the years, and these holes were mooched out, and the wood, obviously, now wouldn't sit flat, and I've knocked that in with a hammer. Now, let's look at the other side, which I haven't done anything with, and you can see that this hole is way, way out there, so obviously this cab has gone through a lot as it has been used over the years and fatigued, and the metal broke. And you can see right up here, this piece, we're actually missing a chunk of steel. And we've got some stress fractures on this cab here. You can see this. I think of this cab as they drove it, and the wood disappeared, and the thing just flexed, and it just came apart. So these old trucks were tough. Had some holes here that I fixed, and we had some structural cracks too. Right here, this is the rod locators, the brackets that hold the hood on. So these were all fatigued and cracked. I think I have other pictures of those. And you can see right here. Look at that. How you like that? The windshield is cracked. The windshield mount is cracked. Now, this one was cracked just as bad, and you can see that I've already started to fix this, and I've got a pretty nice job going. Had a little blowout. I'm going to fix that, but I think we're going to be okay with this thing being welded back together. Got a little rust on it, but one of the main parts is here. Let me show you this. You'll like this. Is this the side? Yeah, this is one of the sides, and you can see we've got a crack there. It's been welded, obviously, but it's going to have to be redone. And I'll have to check and see if the other side is broken too. But let's go take a look at that real quick. I just wanted to show you what I'm up against here. And then this cab is going back on the road after some work with my trusty little welder over there. You can see this guy is a little cracked here too. Get a focus in there. But yeah, a little cracked. I guess that's putting it mildly. You can see daylight through the cracks. But you know what? We'll get it welded up. I've got some wood in place, so I'll be able to locate it. I've got doors, and I've got decent wood down here. Obviously, we have some rust, but it isn't terrible, and I can get some parts for this, and we'll fix the rust. But overall, this is what I'm working with. See you in another video.